The NGINX ingress controller in Kubernetes can be best understood as a specialized version of the ingress tool. It's like a highly skilled receptionist at the main entrance of an apartment building, equipped with additional capabilities and expertise. Just as the specialized receptionist not only directs visitors to the right apartment, but also offers extra services such as security checks. The NGINX ingress controller does more than just route external traffic to the appropriate services within the Kubernetes cluster. It provides additional key functionalities. It efficiently manages how incoming external traffic is distributed to various services. This is like guiding visitors to different apartments based on who they are there to see. The NGINX ingress controller can handle the encryption and decryption of secure traffic, offloading this task from the individual services. This is akin to performing security checks at the reception before allowing visitors to proceed. It also balances the incoming traffic across multiple instances of a service to ensure that no single service is overwhelmed, much like a receptionist managing a queue to avoid overburdening any single service desk. Overall, the NGINX ingress controller is a more advanced and feature-rich gateway in Kubernetes, enhancing the control and security of how external traffic is managed and directed within your cluster.